more breaking inputs coming in from the parliament. In fact, we are learning that leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has met with farmer leaders today. After meeting these leaders, the farmer leaders, Rahul Gandhi has said that Congress will be discussing with other India partners and that they will make pressure on the government for legal guarantee for MSP, which has been a consistent demand coming in from these various farmer leaders. Let's also listen into what Rahul Gandhi had to say.
हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में एमएसपी विद लीगल गारंटी लिखा है। हमने पूरा उसका असेसमेंट किया है, वो किया जा सकता है। अभी मीटिंग में हमने ये डिसाइड किया कि जो इंडिया गठबंधन के बाकी लीडर्स हैं उनसे हम ये डिस्कशन करेंगे और फिर सरकार पर दबाव डालने की कोशिश करेंगे कि लीगल गारंटी, एमएसपी लीगल गारंटी हिंदुस्तान के किसानों को मिले।
Right, let's quickly go across to Pallavi. Pallavi, MSP with a legal guarantee has been a long-standing demand of the farmers. Now, are they also pressurizing the opposition to bring in a private member bill in the parliament?
See, this is really interesting because one of the main grudges against also the general budget and something which Kumari Shelja did speak about when she made her speech inside the Lok Sabha short while back was the fact that their budget is also anti-farmers. Whatever little is being offered to them is just an eyewash. It is just something which is superficial, and this government is also being anti-farmer. A demand for an MSP on almost every product has been a long-standing demand coming in from the Congress, and as Rahul Gandhi himself pointed out, it also has been a part of the Nyaya Patra. Now, it is interesting that Rahul Gandhi has decided to meet the farmers' delegation, the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, which was actually the strength, if I can say so, behind the farmers' agitation, which lasted for more than a year. He meets them. All Punjab MPs have also met. They are the same ones who are objecting to what they are calling the neglect of Punjab in the general budget. When he meets them, he's trying to send out a message across to the BJP and to their own vote bank that, look, you are anti-farmer mindset. You have that kind of a mindset. Now, how does it work for them politically apart from demanding the MSP? There are elections coming up in Maharashtra, Haryana particularly, an agrarian state, Maharashtra of course, which has its fair share of Kisan suicides at one point of time in the Vidarbha area. This is the kind of counter narrative that they are trying to come out with. Hence, that explains why Rahul Gandhi chose a day like today to meet up with representatives of the farmers' community.
You know, Pallavi, the timing of all of this is very interesting because only on 31st of August, the entire farmers' protest or the Chalo Delhi march is going to be completing 200 days. Having said that, what is the kind of pressure that's now being built on the government? We've also seen the various farmer groups address a press conference on Monday. Should we expect a fresh round of protests now?
Oh yes, the time, and that's exactly what I was talking about. Why did he choose a day like today? That's when the discussion is going on. And yesterday also, when Rahul Gandhi's first response came in and the Congress leaders and India Bloc were responding, and this is something which was decided also at the India Bloc meeting, that we are going to pick up points from the general budget to show that how generally it is anti-people. It has always been a government which cares and caters to only few people. The only thing that the Prime Minister is interested in is to try and save his government, and that's the huge sops being given to Andhra Pradesh as well as to Bihar. So projecting it as anti-middle class, anti-farmers, that's the mainstream of the timing of Rahul Gandhi meeting up with these delegations today.
Absolutely, and not to forget that SKM and KMM are, in fact, these various farmer groups that have wield particular kind of influence in states like Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. Many thanks to you, Pallavi, for bringing in all those inputs. We will keep tracking all those latest inputs that are coming in from the parliament and across the country. For now, it's time.